tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna let the butter melt.
Somewhere in my kitchen is my pepper grinder. And I would give some pepper grind, some fresh ground pepper, and I can't find it. I don't know where it is. Fortunately, I have my salt and pepper shaker, which I use for my burgers. You know, it's already mixed. I usually eyeball this. Let's just see. That's about a quarter cup, I think. Let's see.
And we can decide what to do. I think I can add a little bit more milk, so maybe if I'm going to use all of it. It's possible we will. Salt and pepper. Eyeball it. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. Ow.
Good Tuesday. Hey, Ware, P-81 or S-81. Huh? Ooh, floral bouquet. Ooh, country corn flour. Ooh, visions. And blue corn flour. Come on. I don't know if I'm going to use all four. Probably three, I'm thinking. I came across a 1940 recipe called Hamburger Pie. Now, we're not making that today. We're using Wendy's. Yeah. I've got an extra can. There you go. So I am going to put the original recipe that inspired today in the description, and I'll put what we're doing today in case you're silly enough to try it. But the original recipe was more of a green bean and onion hamburger pie, and of course it's 1940, so they chose to mix in Campbell's condensed tomato soup. They did a lot of that. And I'm looking at the recipe and I'm thinking, hey, why don't we mix this in? I love this stuff. This is not your normal chili. It doesn't have what you normally think of as chili in cans flavor. You put cabbage in here and you have beef and cabbage. You throw in some tofu. It's delicious. Links above. It is Tuesday around 11. And I figure we'll bake them at 375 until the mashed potatoes get all toasty. We're going to brush on some egg wash. What am I forgetting? I almost forgot to put the flour in. You can put the flour in before you add the broth. I didn't have any broth, so we made bouillon. That was a quarter cup prepared bouillon. It's very tasty. We've got our very cold mixture. And I did overcook the peas on purpose. If you want the peas fresher, add them later. I hate peas, so the more cooked they are, the better, if you ask me. This was 3 medium-sized russets. Let's just mush it up good. Why am I using a tablespoon? Why? Okay. That's okay. I just want to get it all kind of loose because we're going to throw an egg in here. 2 eggs that I picked out earlier. 1, we're going to make a yolk wash to brush on top of them. Should I be preheating the oven? Oh, everything is cold. Let's just throw in the egg. Oh, it looks like hollandaise. It looks like hollandaise, but it's not. I love hollandaise. Oh, yummy. Hey, we went old school. That was a Miracle Made Smasher by Sears. It looks chunky, but it's not. All right. I'll save that. Hi! Let's take some butter and use our hands. Oh. These are perfect for individual servings. Hey, that looks good. This is taking longer than I thought. Let's Very nice. Let's get them all done first. Hi. So we got 3 nice sized servings out of these. Just a light coating. Oh God! I'm losing all the fork. Okay. I should have brushed this on first, I guess. Note to self. Brush the egg yolk on first and then touch it up with a fork. I wasn't thinking. Quick touch up. Nothing is ever perfect here, okay? But this works good, actually. Brush the yolk on and then do the forky. 1, 2, 3. Oh! All right. P-75. That's 1. 2. All right. We're going to let these sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's all about the flavors. And there is, mashed potato. Wendy's, what do you call it? Shepherd's pie. All right, it's hot. Oh, all right, here we go. Oh. Oh, man. It's yummy. I'm happy. But it is very hot, so take note of that. You'd never know this was a Wendy's. Never. When I was looking at them in the oven, it looked like it had more color than it did when I pulled it out. There's just a little. It does have a little bit of a crust on this one. Wendy's Hamburger Shepherd's Pie. Very tasty. Wow. Okay. I'm going to be totally happy finishing this off. And it's a really nice sized portion. Oh yeah. Thanks for joining me this Wendy's Shepherd's Pie Tuesday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? That's so yummy. Very yummy. You would never know there's Wendy's in here. Thanks for watching. Duh.